Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ganesh Dipanjoli tutorials. You can see here my our tuition banner Dipanjoli tutorials bright future. We did not just teach, we inspire. CBSE and Seva recommended medium Seva, Assamese and English. So whatever details provided here, just I am going to read all things friends. Thank you, support me, watch my channel. And here in our tuition Dipanjoli tutorials 1 to 8th class and 9th and 10th. So 1 to 10th class are available and extra facilities, special guidance available, exam preparations, homeworks, systematic reading, LSRW skills, basics in all subjects, proper understanding, IQ skills, qualify in the society. Next thing is our tuition atmosphere. How we designed, look at here. It is very disciplined and very nice and very comfortable to read zone. You can see there on wall posters whatever the important for knowledge, to gain the knowledge and multi-purpose, because of different types of knowledges available on the posters. Because of nowadays education is important, at the same time normal, general, current affairs and society knowledge also most important. So that's why we attached the pictures, many things on the wall in our tuition premises, and we are giving dedicated chairs, tables for particular students, and based on timings we will give the students. So we have more than 30 students, and every students now we divided into 5 batches. So 5 batches and different classes we conducted, very nice. So in this way we succeed. Within 1 year we succeed many things, I hope. So based on our experience, 1 year tuition completed successfully. Now going to complete second year also, because of 1.5 year completed. Here you can see here everything we design one particular order. Yes or no? Because of if location, atmosphere is good, then automatically students will get interest and very comfortable to stay long time and read easily. And atmosphere where good facilities, many facilities are provided here in our Dipanjoli tutorials. So in our Dipanjoli tutorials bright future having 3 faculties. One is MD, second one is organizer, third one is tutor. MD managing the complete tuition, organizer it's organize the complete students, when students and timings and everything decided by the organizer. MD, what are the basic standards and what are the new rules and provided, that goes to MD. And next one, tutor. So tutor, this tutor is qualified IT student and he is capable to attend the home tuition at our premises. So in this video many information I am giving, because of education is the most important. That's why I am trying to give you all students good education and how to survive the society in competitive. So based on these instructions, I hope you all people watch my channel, and definitely it will be useful and it is knowledgeable channel. Definitely upcoming days, slowly one by one, every video, very useful videos I will give upload. And because of in this way what will happen, and good communication will grow, I hope, between teachers, students and parents. Because of when we engage with all students, then only we can improve our standards, teaching style. or many things, I hope. So thank you for supporting me, and keep watching my videos, and like this I will give lot of videos and knowledgeable videos and interactions and cultural activities and teaching styles and pronunciation, spellings, and many because of I design a lot of things. That's why today I create the YouTube channel. So I hope you are feeling very good by watching all these videos. Thank you so much. Keep watching my channel, and definitely new students and basic thing is in this video, especially Dipanjoli tutorials main concept, just to make the qualified persons in the society. Every student should be qualified in the competitive society. First target. Yes. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. See you later. You watch my videos. Thank you.